In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder tasks in Wrike. If you're looking to bring more organization to your project management or simply want to prioritize your tasks better, then you've come to the right place. We'll be walking through a simple process that will allow you to effortlessly reorder tasks within just a few moments. Let's dive in by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and search for Wrike in your search engine. Click on the official Wrike page in the search results. If you already have an account, you'll want to log in. But if this is your first time using Wrike, you can click on the Try Wrike for free option. This will give you access to its features so you can follow along with us today. After logging in or getting set up with your trial, ensure that you're in the table view of your project or folder. This view is essential because it's specifically designed for task management and will make the process of reordering tasks clear and straightforward. Suppose you're not sure if you're in the table view. In that case, you can usually find the option to switch views at the top of your Wrike interface, often near where tools for filtering and sorting your tasks are located. Now that you're comfortably in table view, find the task that you want to reorder. You'll notice that on the left side of each task row, there's a row number. This number is what you'll use to move your tasks around. It's like grabbing the book spine on a shelf. It's your handle to move things. Place your mouse pointer over the row number or the drag icon. Click and hold the mouse button. This action will allow you to grab the task. Now it's just a matter of moving your mouse to the desired new position for the task. While you're doing this, you'll notice a blue line appearing. This line acts as your guide, showing you exactly where the task will land once you place it. Once you're satisfied with the new position, simply release your mouse button. This action will drop the task into its new spot, effectively reordering it within your project or folder list. And just like that, you've successfully reordered your task. That's all there is to it. Reordering tasks in Wrike is a quick and intuitive process that can significantly streamline your project management efforts. Whether you're arranging tasks by priority, deadline, or any other logic that works best for you and your team, Wrike provides a user-friendly platform for managing workflows and enhancing productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.